everyone, it's Carol, back in my art room in the basement. So happy to be back down here. Alright, I just did a dip and it failed, so I'm painting over it and I'm going to try it again. I did it with a paper towel and I think the paper towel was not wet enough. Tried it again and then I think it was too wet or not enough paint. I'm not sure. So this time I'm going to do it with plastic. So I'm just letting this pink blend in the background. My side's done. Here we go. Set this over here. So I'm going to do pink and purple again. I just have to make sure this is runny enough. Get my torch and take out all the bubbles. I'm just going to do dots. Maybe I didn't have enough paint down before either. That could be. So I will make sure that I have lots of paint. I'm going to do a mixture of pink and purple and white. I hope there's enough pink in here. Okay. Try a little bit of white in there. The pink is Dazzling Shimmer Rose Folk Art Metallic Paint. Purple is Winsor Newton Violet. I'll try some more of this shimmer stuff. I have some gold metallic. Now let's see what I can do with this green if I have enough. Better make sure I put enough. Maybe I should use cheap paper towel. That was too absorbent, the last one. I sucked up all the colored paint on my last one. I couldn't believe it. There was nothing left on the canvas. All right. And this is Peridot green metallic. All right. Do you think this is enough? Maybe some more pink. Almost out of pink. All right. Okay, I'm going to use some plastic this time. There we go. Just push it towards the middle. Oh, there's a big air bubble in there. in the middle, then out the edges. Okay, here it goes. Please be okay this time. That's better. Look at the cells on that. That's so pretty. Okay, there you go. I'm happier with that result. The cells. I didn't even put any silicone in anything. The gold kind of disappeared. I don't know what happened here. There, that's all I'm gonna do now. Just gonna let that sit. Oh, I wasn't looking to see. I wasn't expecting all those cells. Okay, I'm done. That's my first painting down here. I like how the green leaves came out. It's pretty. Hold it up for you. There. Not bad. I really like that. And there's the, I don't know if you can see the plastic, but wow, I wish I could dip that onto something. That's almost a mirror image of it. I don't think I can see. Anyway, this is the main attraction. All right, thanks for dropping by. Come back soon to my art room. Subscribe, like, comment below if you want. And I'll be back to do some more. Have a great day. Bye. All right, here I am looking at my dried results of my reverse dip that I did. I love it. Looks awesome. It's nice and smooth. And the green even shines because it's metallic. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a bit of a shine there. And the pink was metallic also. Looks great. Thanks for watching. Come back soon to my art room. Bye-bye.